Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through fixing a running toilet. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is 15 minutes for you tonight or whether something else is going on. Here's the scene. You're sitting in a quiet room and you hear a faint hiss from the bathroom, or the toilet phantom flushes at 3 in the morning for 30 seconds with nobody near it, or the water bill went up 40%. Same problem, every time. Water is leaking from the tank into the bowl, and the fill valve keeps topping it off. The good news, a running toilet is one of three parts: the flapper, the fill valve, or the chain, and each of them is a 15-minute, under $20 fix. Before you buy anything, diagnose. Take the tank lid off, put 10 drops of food coloring in the tank water, walk away for 30 minutes. If color shows up in the bowl, the flapper is leaking. Most reliable diagnostic in plumbing, and it costs you nothing. Here's what the job actually looks like. You shut off the quarter-turn valve behind the toilet, you flush to drain the tank, you sponge out the last of the water. If it's the flapper, you unhook the ears off the two pegs on either side of the overflow tube, unclip the chain, and snap the new one on. 3 minutes of work. If it's the fill valve, you disconnect the supply line underneath, you loosen the plastic lock nut under the tank, you lift the old valve out, drop the new one in, snug the nut, reconnect. You clip the small refill tube so it points down into the overflow tube, not inserted into it. You set the chain with about ½ inch of slack. You open the valve and do the 5 flush test. The mistakes that double this job: a universal flapper that doesn't seal on your specific seat, cranking the plastic lock nut with channel locks and cracking the porcelain, stuffing the refill tube inside the overflow instead of above it, which siphons the tank dry, a chain too short, and forgetting the shutoff is still closed when you test. And one more thing. If your toilet is older than 1994, it uses 3.5 gallons per flush. Fixing a 30-year-old toilet is like buying new tires for a car you're replacing next month. The guide tells you exactly when to repair and when to replace. For the full step-by-step, the food coloring test, and the 5 mistakes that send you back to the hardware store, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.